Yep, hi, my name's Tom Penny. I'm an FA skills coach in the Lancashire, Cumberland, Westmorland team. I've just been in a workshop for Silent Whisperer, delivered by Keith Mayer and Dave Sheridan. It was absolutely fantastic. Some of the things I took from the course was about them getting into your head, into your mind, and really in that Silent Whisperer about the negative thoughts that sometimes go in our head to stop us doing things that we want to do, the fear of things, and sometimes, people don't stop us doing things, but it's the voice in our head that stops us doing things.
So I'm Dominique, I'm a HR advisor and I'm based in Wembley Park. I've just taken part in the Silent Whisperer course that we're running for the FA Skills group, and I thought it was really moving and very thought-provoking. We went through what things might affect you kind of internally, any barriers that you've got, and also, in the longer term, thinking about maybe what the outcome is that you want to achieve, but kind of taking a step back to then think how are you going to get there and what do you need to put into place to do that, bearing in mind all of the outside factors.
My name's Alan Williams, FA skills coach for Lancashire. I've just been in the Silent Whisperer, and I've just been in with Keith and Dave. Two presenters were excellent, well presented course, quite meaningful to myself, around get myself to think about different things around how my team work, maybe where I might want to see myself in the future.
I thought that they were both really informative. I thought that they really engaged the group. I thought that the different clips that they used on the screens were really quite moving, especially the I'm the One, and I would highly recommend them both.
Well worth a real good look at. The presentation was excellent. It's given me a lot of things to think about. Big one I would probably take away is looking at where I need to be for going forward.
Some of the quotes I took from the course were, if you do what you've always done, you get what you always get, which I thought was a fantastic quote. And if you want to get better, then you've got to change. I'm someone personally that likes to help people, support people, make them better, and sometimes forget about number one, which is me. And in my personal situation, I'm currently possibly going to China, and was very scared about it, not sure, very fearful about it, leaving family, friends, etc. But this presentation has pushed me towards the 6 inches that's in front of my nose, about going and sort of put it in my head that I am going to go and do it. The two presenters were fantastic. I know Keith personally from coaching as well, really good. His story was brilliant because it related to everything that was in the presentation, about everything that we're going through as coaches at the moment, and following the story, you hung on his every word. And Dave at the start as well was really good with his humour. He captivated everyone, and I thought both of them were fantastic. It was a really brilliant course, and I definitely recommend it in the future.